Got it all put together. I just got to put my fog lights on and that lower grill, which I have sitting out there in the back, but it's basically ready for inspections. I spent the last few minutes polishing these lights. This one was extremely yellow, and this one didn't need anything, but I just went ahead and gave it a quick buff. I'm gonna get it inspected on Monday. Today's Friday. The inspection station doesn't open until Monday, so I'll be there early in the morning, have it inspected. As soon as I get my paperwork, take it down to the state and get this bad boy painted. I need to go to the paint shop and have them match this paint so I can paint this, but that's the car for you. She's ready. Here's my other Hyundai Elantra that I have for sale. I actually buffed these out too. I sanded them down with 1500 and with 2000 and hit them with some compound.
12 seconds later.
So I don't know where I left off with this car last time I recorded, but it's been inspected. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that, and everything has been painted, so I just got to put it together, take off the fog lights off of this old bumper, that lower chin, and put it on the new painted bumper, and just clean it up and get it ready to sell. That driver's seat is really dirty, so I might have to take that one out and clean it up. On the hood, I had cleared it the first time and I didn't like the finish of the clear, so what I ended up doing is sanding it with wet sanding it with 600 grit and then adding another layer of clear, and it came out pretty decent. It's nice and smooth. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks really great. And this paint matched really good with the original, so I don't think I'm gonna have to blend the door since I painted this fender, but we'll see once I get everything on there. Issue here, there's a bit of a color difference at a certain angle. Looking at it from this side, not too bad, but from here you could definitely tell it's gotta be, this part has to be blended in, as well as this and this, because this is original paint. This has been painted and this has been painted, so we're gonna have to do that.